good.
You are looking at the 2019 Sorento LX. Standard 3-row seating, obviously silver, nice bright color. This vehicle has a top safety plus rating from the IIHS, which is the Insurance Institute of Highway Safety, the safest rating, the highest rating that you can get for safety of any vehicle on the road. The Sorento has an engine that's a GDI. So this engine will deliver power, and you're gonna get an average of 25 miles per gallon. Great gas mileage in a vehicle that comes standard with a 10-year, 100,000-mile factory warranty. Cannot be beat. Sharp-looking vehicle. Front grille has been redesigned, really nice looking. Black accent on the vehicle, chrome accent around the grille, sleek headlamps, 16-inch alloys, standard on this vehicle. Now, as you can see, you see a little darker tint on the back windows. This is all factory privacy glass. This isn't a film that's been put on this vehicle. This is how it comes from the factory. Breakaway side view mirrors. Lots of room in the back seat. Obviously, you've got a 7-passenger with that 3rd row, which I'm going to show you in a second. But as you pop in here, you got 3 seat belts running across, plenty of room here, rear vents for your back passengers, cup holders, child-proof safety locks. Now, as you can see, this LX has some storage room back here, right behind the rear seats, but when you really need a lot of storage room, I'm going to show you a couple of nice features. Now you pop this right here, and these seats will lay down, just like this. Plenty of room for whatever it is you need. Now, please keep in mind that the Sorento LX of 2019, this is a vehicle that you can buy for around $25,000. Brand new 2019 Kia with a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. This 2019 Sorento LX is a safe vehicle and a tremendous value. I want to tell you a few things about what makes this a comfortable, easy to use, driver-friendly environment. First thing you're going to start off with is the 7-inch widescreen that has a backup camera, houses all your information. All that information also displays on your dashboard directly in sight of your, in line with your view, so that you don't have to take your eyes off the road. And of course, everything is voice activated with Bluetooth. So the backup camera is a great safety feature. So you got a red zone that keeps you, but you can move around just like that. In this model, which is the LX, you have, of course, the simple functions. You have, of course, power windows, power locks. Your tilt steering wheel is also a telescopic steering wheel. You can actually operate this vehicle as a manual transmission and shift to 2nd gear, 3rd gear, 4th gear on command as you prefer. And I got to tell you, this vehicle, the drive is smooth, the transmission shifts out very well, but I telling you about it doesn't quite get it done. You need to come in and drive this vehicle for yourself. Take the time to visit us right here in Carlsbad. Take the vehicle for a spin. See what you think. I know that you'll agree that you can't get a bigger bang for your buck in a mid-size SUV. And come see why for yourself.